Hey, Safari Sam here, and you're just in time for some letter writing. Do you want your letters to look nice? I use animal letters to make my letters look nice. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really, really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter F. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase f is? That's right, it's a giraffe letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we write each letter, we do it 2 times. The first time, we do it with the dotted letters. The second time, we do it without the dotted letters. Did you download your template from Linktree? If not, pause the video right here and go do that now so you can practice with us. Okay, I'm really excited about the letter F, so let's get started. When I start the letter F, I start at the top and I go all the way down to the bottom. And when I get to the bottom, I stop. I don't go below that line right there. Look, I stop. And then I come back to the top and I go over. Are you doing it with me? I hope so. And then I come to the middle and I do a short line. And there is the uppercase F. Now when I do the lowercase f, it doesn't start at the top line, it doesn't start at the middle line, and we know no letter starts at the bottom line. I'd never start, no way, no. This letter also has an interesting place to start, just like the letter E did. I'm going to start right here. And here we go. I'm going to go up and around and back down all the way to the bottom. And when I'm done, I stop. And I pick up my pen and I go to the middle and I put a cross line right there. Nice, nice, nice. And there is our lowercase f. Are you ready to practice the F's without the dotted lines? Okay, let me get rid of it. Let me get rid of this. Erase, erase, erase. Okay, let's see if you remember. Are you ready to write it on your paper with me? Okay, now we're going to do the letters without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Do you have your paper so you can practice with me? Okay, here we go. I start at the top, remember that? And I go straight down till I get to the bottom line and I stop. And then I come back to the top and I go over and I make this line kind of long. And if it's not super straight, not to worry, that's why we practice. And I come into the middle and I make a shorter line like that. And there is my uppercase F. Now when I do my lowercase f, remember, I'm going to start it right here. Am I start at the bottom? Never. We never start a letter from the bottom. No way. With the letter F, the lowercase f, I'm going to start right here. Remember that? And I go up and around and then back down all the way to the bottom. And then I stop. And then I bring my pen up, go right here in the middle and put the cross line. And then that's the lowercase f. How did yours look? I bet it looked just as good. Remember, we can practice these letters as much as we want. Well, thank you for being here while we did the letter F, and I hope you come back when we do our next letter. Bye.